Enyole abalimu all through asobogima waitu. We have been teaching without a CBA. Kitu kulenga kientangania CBA ya aletatu ya lenga 2017. Previously kuru asama tukaitire. President yense gocha yatenene roadside. Yate wanamendira abalimu musara jibe singanaiga without a document. Wana unions nchia initiated. Kupet together with other stakeholders for education by initiated hiyo sign with CBN Tangani the year 2017. Yes. Yeah, they ran for 4 years. The CBA ya 2017 ya lego favor mono administrators. Na wamenda tuchiwa shinyingi. They face out the old system ya grading. Kama ya koleta grading system ya jagita 2018 ya lenge verambi was I thinking narang kukwana about the grading. Alego tek umwalimu kurwa soira se career yae emiake menge in fact ya ruta around 11 cadres umwalimu akwanda 11 promotions amanya gukora kobe chief principal. So CBA tokayare meralia paka 2021. In the year 2021 tokalengera linaende bone serikali ngochere tusainie CBA ende linde naende torego center benefit abalimu ba we classroom mba benefit. Union ya ito ya Kupet tukabeka ji proposals che tokalengana na balimu ba totabi kujasa wa National Executive Board ya ba karansa as a negotiation table aliya Nairobi. Wana karaba twaire proposal to our surprise the TSC ga chabosa buna yachi the last time. Na ya chabosa asengenjo the former president Uhuru Kenyatta amatenga tabuati kenda ako lose tato akende ino itaga toa ngendo tokora kamatana the CBA.
Inere.
Matana the CBA ya saine tiwe ya lego tawanga aba madam teachers recommend to maternity leave for 90 days which is 120 days. Now male teachers recommend to paternity leave for 10 days to 20 days. Again, kitu assigned to 2021, no money, no nothing. Well, no. Amangana iya kaera ego tokalera tokarasa ego toka amangana iya kaera kiagera balimu matana bangwana lakini ende tokagendera go push for a better terms ya balimu. 2022 karo our president William Ruto abe president agaja review akego through negotiation ye union agatamenta everywhere vikego across the board, which was okay and which was not bad. Lakini onu matata ete no ko bako kulia kaira no ko because of the taxation policies change. Ono lende to ikire 2025 to aremereria CBA to ikire 2025 the CBA ya maternity ya kolri ya elire bana and one we had to negotiate for another CBA you gonna mo chairman yonataba they have negotiated last week. CBA yebwe karodo ya legally critically ebintu byonsi pikolengana neji proposals che union gendonkeyo ndatebe pase nga serikali TSC Service Commission yeikera neti kolengana proposals che